Racing just is started. We Woko Boy break weekly at a start. Moving up, no money, no honey. Top notchers by Daryl. Boom, boom, boom. Owaki, Megamax, Big Bang, Love Story. While Street Bumpa is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have no money, no honey by Abarlenka. And in second is Top Notcher, Megamax. Boom, boom, boom. Okoboy, Owaki. Then next on line is Love Story, Street Bumpa. While Big Bang now racing in less. We have no money, no honey by our link anyhow. Top Notcher in second, moving up on the outside. Owaki running 6 deep now is entry number 2 Megamax in the middle portion. Boom, boom, boom. Then next on line is Okoboy, Street Bumpa. Then followed over by Love Story, while Big Bang is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have no money, no honey. Moving up now on the outside is Megamax. And as they swing for home, we have no money, no honey. Megamax moving up on the outside to take the lead. Last 100 meters, we have Megamax, followed by no money, no honey. And finally, it's Megamax. No money, no honey. Big Bang, Street Bump, and Owaki.
Ganda.